Oh my gosh, it's so humid, the camera lens is fogging up. That's what I came out here for. Oh my god. Even the screen on the camera. Man, that is... It's so humid, the camera lens is getting off. Oh my gosh, that's too cool. Hey guys, what's up? Super Duck Man 24 here. Due to humidity, the camera lens is going to be hard to see. Oh my gosh, no way. So we have a thunderstorm right over here. You can hear it. It's a booming. Trying to clean off my lens. There you go. You can see the sky before my camera fogs up. Oh my gosh. Feels like I'm using my old camera. We just got a notification that we have a strong storm advisory. It is so humid, like I can run my finger across my camera and it's just all water. You can see it. Oh, there's lightning. Very cool. Oh, nuts. Let's go up. I don't know what to do. I can't get my camera lens from... Got my iPhone out, recording the storm. Temperature gauge up on my window. With the train horn. And here comes my dad with dinner, so I'm gonna sign off. See you guys.